Hello friends, my name is Chetan Vadhadia and I had started my new profile on unacademy where I am going to teach foundation for IIT and JEE for class 9th and 10th students. So if you are interested, you can follow me on unacademy. Just you have to type Chetan Vadhadia on it and you will get my course. So please follow me on unacademy. Thank you. Hello friends, today I am going to give you few important questions or extra questions of chapter number 2 polynomial which are not in your textbook, and these are asked in board examination also. And I had selected 1 or 2 mark question in this video. In my next video I will select 3 and 4 mark question. I had selected 1 or 2 mark question. Why? Because generally I had seen that for 1 and 2 mark every year they are asking question from chapter number 1 and 2 only. So they are taking question of 1 and 2 mark from this chapter polynomial. So we have to study that. That's question number 1. If x plus a is a factor of 2x square plus 2ax plus 5x plus 10, find a. What generally student will think? That they had given the x plus a is a factor, so we have to put the value of x as a and we have to solve this. But you are wrong. Here x plus a is a factor, so first we have to find out the value of x. X plus a equals to 0 we have to take, and then we have to find out that x equals to minus a. Now instead of this x I have to put minus a, and when I will put instead of this x minus a, I will get the remainder or the answer of this as 0. So look here, if I will take minus a in this polynomial, my answer would be 0. So now one by one I will put minus a on all this place of x. Look here, it's 2 into bracket minus a square plus 2a into minus a plus 5 into minus a plus 10 equals to 0. So what will happen? Here this will become minus a square, so plus a square. So plus 2a square, and here minus a into plus minus 2a square. So this will get cancelled and you will get minus 5a plus 10. Now take this minus 5 on that side. So this will become 10 equals to 5a, and 10 by 5 equals to a. So what will happen? We will cancel this and I will get a equals to 2. So directly a equals to 2. Generally what students are making mistake, when x plus a is given to it, they are taking a as x, a as the value of x and directly solving. Here first we have to find out the value of x by putting x plus a equals to 0 and x is equals to minus a. Then we have to keep. Look here, one example I am solving it here so that you come to know that why I am telling you. Look here, in this example, if 1 is the 0 of the polynomial of p of x equals to ax square minus 3 into bracket a minus 1 in and minus 1, then find the value of a. Look here directly they had given 1 as 0, so now we have to keep 1 in the on the place of x. But in that previous question it was like my x plus a was factor, so x we have to find out the value of x. Here directly 1 is given as the 0, so directly we are going to put 1 on the place of x. So 1 is the 0, so when I am taking polynomial of 1, we will get answer 0. So now one by one, a into 1 square minus 3 into 1 minus 1 means a minus, so here it will come 1 minus, sorry, on the place of x only we are taking, so a minus 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Now 1 square will be 1 into a. Now minus 3 multiply with both this number, this will become minus 3a, this will become plus 3 and minus 1. Now this will become minus 2a. I am writing it here so that you come to know minus 2a and plus 2 equals to 0. Now minus 2a equals to minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 will get cancelled. This 2 will also get cancelled. A equals to 1. So directly I written a equals to 1. So this was the second question. Now moving towards question number 3. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial such that alpha plus beta equals to 6 and alpha into beta equals to 4, then write the polynomial. Means here they had given the sum and the product. Directly we have to put the sum and product in the formula and we will get the answer. Let us solve that. So alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, therefore sum of zeros, that I had taken s, and product of zeros alpha into beta, that is 4. Now the required polynomial, that is g of x equals to k. When you are solving this, you have to put k here. Keep this in mind. This k is very much important. Sometimes in board, if you are not putting k directly, you are taking x square minus sum into x plus product. Then also I written in shortcut, you can write down like this also, k into bracket x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Both are same, but I had written sum on the place of sum. I had written s. On the place of product, I had written p. Now g of x equals to k into bracket x square. Now sum is 6, so I had kept 6, and product is 4, so I had kept 4. So this is your answer. Generally students are directly putting this, they are not taking this k and writing, so you have to write down this k into bracket x square minus 6x plus 4. Now moving towards the next question. If alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial 2y square plus 7y plus 5, write the value of alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. So this is your polynomial and you have to find alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. So how you can solve this? It's so simple. Just the polynomial is given to you and you know a, what is a, b and c. From this you can find out a, b and c. A is 2, b is 7 and c is 5. Now we are going to find out the sum alpha plus beta. We know that alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a, and that's why alpha plus beta, that is minus b by a. Minus, what is our b? 7, and what is our a? This is 2. Now we are going to find alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is equals to c by a. Therefore c is 5 and a is 2, 5 by 2. Now you are having these two. Now they told you to add, so on the place of this we are going to put minus 7 by 2. On the place of this we are going to put 5 by 2. So minus 7 by 2 plus 5 by 2, you have to find out LCM. Here the denominator is same, so directly you can add this. Minus 7 plus 5 minus 2, and here 2. So 2 will get cancelled and your answer for this will be minus 1. And moving towards our last question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial f of x equals to x square minus px plus q, then find the value of x square, or sorry, alpha square plus beta square. Now here it is alpha square plus beta square. In our previous question, it was directly alpha plus beta and alpha into beta that we can get from the polynomial equation or the equation, quadratic equation. But here we are not going to get. Then also we have to first solve and we have to find out alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, because that are going to help us. And every time we can get directly alpha plus beta and alpha into beta from this equation, nothing else. So we have to find out first that only, and then we have to, with the help of that, we have to solve this. So let us find out alpha plus beta. Now a, b and c. A is 1, b is minus p and c is q. So now alpha plus beta, that is minus b by a. So minus into bracket minus p by 1, because our b, this is minus, this minus is of the formula, and this minus p is the value of p. So minus minus will become plus, plus p by 1. So our alpha plus beta, that is p. Now alpha into beta, that is c by a. So it's q by 1. So it's q only. Alpha into beta, that is q. Now we want to find out alpha square plus beta square. So how we can get alpha square plus beta square? By one formula, that the same formula, that alpha plus beta whole square equals to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha into beta. Now you can take this alpha into beta this side. Alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta equals to alpha square plus beta square. So directly we come to know that this is our answer. So we have to find out this. So now I am going to put up the values. Look here, alpha square plus beta square equals to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Directly alpha plus beta is p. So p square minus 2 and minus 2, and alpha into beta is q. So q. Now we cannot add or subtract, so our answer, direct answer for this will be p square minus 2q. So this way we can solve this sum, and these are the important extra question which are not into your textbook. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.